Okay, no remainder. So let's set this up in as long division. 1984 divided by 32. Okay, so 32, how many times does it go into 19? None. So let's go to the next 3-digit number. 32 goes into 198 how many times? I believe it goes in 6 times. 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times 32 is 192. You don't need to do it in your head. You could write it down and actually do it, but what's 198 minus 192? 6. This is 0 and 0. Now we bring down the 4 and we divide again. 32 goes into 64 twice. Multiply the 2 times 32. Whoops. And we get 64. Subtract and we get 0. No remainder as it said, which we know we did it right. And therefore it's 62.